So I want you to think of this word, whatever you have written, and how you relate it. I want you to relate it to this thing called entrepreneurial mindset. What is the mindset of an entrepreneur?
Moving fast,
latency,
fun,
teamwork,
creativity,
integration,
chaos,
happiness,
mess,
warm up for creativity.
together.
perfectly unsettled.
like entrepreneurs are not only for the specific action, but it is also the integration of them.
Fun is very important for an entrepreneur because if you're not loving what you're doing, then there is no point doing it.
A person who has like an entrepreneurial mindset will be comfortable when he's not settled. So he'll constantly keep looking for something or the other to just keep himself involved.